Okay, so recently it was all over the news that Donald Trump said that he won with the poorly educated. Who is the poorly educated? Well, according to the only definition I found, the poorly educated simply means the working class from the Midwest. But this is according to a blog titled The Blog, so clearly the poorly educated is not an actual term in the English language. In fact, the term poorly educated is almost used exclusively in the context of politics. For example, The Blog is making the argument from that clearly the poorly educated means the opposite of the highly educated, typically classified as people who have more than a high school diploma. Shoes of the poorly educated. Oh wait, quick poll. Who here has a master's degree? How about a bachelor's degree? Who has any further education? How about a high school diploma? Okay, so now as far as I'm concerned, we're the poorly educated. But the point is that the so-called uneducated are people whom do not simply consume facts, often regarded science, due to no experience in college or further education that is pushed on us by the government. And today we're going to discuss climate change. By strictest definition, climate change is any change in the long-term weather. But in the political mindset, it means something different. Let's have Bill Nye spell it out for us poorly educated.
But climate change as we know it today is characterized by an abrupt increase in the Earth's temperature. It is estimated to have gotten 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit warmer in just the last century.
Now, does a 1.2 to 1.4 degree change mean much to you? It shouldn't. In the last century, which for us poorly educated is 100 years, a lot of other bad things have happened on our planet. For example, 61 species have gone extinct in the last century. We've had 12 oil spills with more than 200,000 tons of crude oil into our oceans. 160 million people have died in wars. We fought more than 100 wars and we've detonated more than 3,000 nuclear weapons. So, what's with this 1.2 to 1.4 degree change? There's big things we're dealing with, but these socialists like Bill Nye don't care because who here has killed the last of its species, or set off a nuclear weapon, or started a world war? You see, it is because they can blame a 1.2 to 1.4 degree change on you, and then big government and Ben's Group and Bill Nye can take away your civil liberties and force you to drive their cars and pay higher taxes. This is Bolshevik, and you and I know it, and even some of the liberal lemmings know it. Find out more at www.scientistsagainstclimatism.wordpress.com. Thank you.